Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Daniel English. I'm Daniel. Today, we talk about hobbies and free time. Hobbies are fun things we do after work or school. They help us relax and feel happy.
Hi, friends. I'm Sarah. Do you like reading, music, sports, or games? Free time is special. Please subscribe to our channel, comment your hobby, and share this video with friends. Let's learn English together.
We talk slowly. We use simple words.
You can understand us. Today, we talk about fun things.
Yes, we talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you do for fun, in your free time.
Free time is when you do not work, you do not study, you can relax.
Everybody needs hobbies. They make you happy.
Let's start. Daniel, what is your hobby? What do you like to do?
I have many hobbies, but my favorite hobby is sports. I love sports.
Which sports do you like?
I like many sports. I like to watch sports, and I like to play sports.
Tell me about watching sports.
Okay, I love to watch football, soccer, on TV. I watch it every weekend. I sit on my sofa. I watch the game. It is exciting.
Do you watch other sports?
Yes, I watch tennis. It is fast. I also watch basketball. The players are very tall.
Do you have a favorite team?
Yes, I do. My favorite football team is United. I love them. When they win, I am very happy. When they lose, I am sad. But it is okay. It is just a game.
Yes, it is just a game. Now, do you play sports?
Oh, yes. I play sports too. I am not a professional. I play for fun with my friends.
What do you play?
I play football with my friends every Sunday morning. We meet at the park, we run, we kick the ball. It is good exercise and it is fun.
That sounds fun. Do you play any other sports?
In the winter, I like to swim. I go to the swimming pool. Swimming is good for your body. It is peaceful. The water is quiet.
I like swimming too. It is very relaxing.
What about you, Sarah? Do you like sports?
A little. I like to do exercise, but I am not like you. I do not watch sports on TV.
So, what is your hobby?
My favorite hobby is very quiet. I love reading.
Reading books?
Yes, I love books. I read every day. I read before I sleep. I read on the bus. I read in the park.
What kind of books do you like?
I like many kinds. I like stories, fiction books. I love mystery books.
Mystery books?
Yes, mystery books have a secret. Someone does a crime. You must find the person. It is a puzzle. I love to guess who did it. The end is always a surprise.
That sounds interesting.
I also love romance books.
Romance?
Yes, stories about love. Two people meet, they have problems, but in the end, they are happy. They are sweet stories. They make me feel good.
Do you read nonfiction books?
Sometimes. Nonfiction is true. It is not a story. I like travel books. The writer visits a country, he describes the food, the people, the places. I can travel with my mind. It is cheap.
That is true. Where do you get your books?
I go to the library. The library has many books. You can borrow them. It is free. You take a book, you read it, you return it, then you get a new book.
Do you buy books?
Sometimes I buy my favorite books. I want to read them again. I put them on a shelf. My bookshelf is full. It is very colorful.
Reading is a good hobby. It helps your English too.
Yes, it does. You learn new words. But Daniel, you said you have many hobbies. Do you have another hobby?
Yes, another hobby is music. I love music.
Do you listen to music?
All the time. I listen to music in the morning. I listen in my car. I listen when I cook. Music is everywhere for me.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. Pop music is popular. It's on the radio. The songs are catchy. You hear them, then you sing them all day.
Yes, that happens.
I also like rock music. Rock music is loud. It has electric guitars. It's good for driving and gives me energy.
Do you like calm music?
Yes, sometimes I listen to jazz. Jazz is smooth, is good for relaxing. Or I listen to classical music. Classical music is old music. It is very beautiful. No words, just instruments.
Do you play an instrument?
I try. I play the guitar a little. I'm learning. It is difficult. My fingers hurt. But it is fun. I play simple songs. Maybe one day I will be good.
I'm sure you will. Music is a wonderful hobby. Do you like music, Sarah? Of course. I like music too. But listening is enough for me. I do not play an instrument. I like to sing.
You sing?
Yes, but only in my house or in my car. I sing very badly, but it makes me happy, so I sing.
That is the point of a hobby. It makes you happy. So singing is a good hobby.
Yes, I have another hobby too.
What is it?
I like games.
Games. Video games?
Sometimes, but I like board games more.
Board games like Monopoly?
Yes, like Monopoly, but many other games too. My friends come to my house, we play games together. We sit around a table, we talk, we laugh. It is very social.
What is your favorite board game?
I love a game called Scrabble.
Scrabble.
Yes, you have letters, you make words, you get points. It is good for English. You learn new words. It is a puzzle, too.
That sounds difficult.
It is not. It is fun. We also play card games, simple card games, like Uno. Do you know Uno?
Yes, Uno is fun and easy.
Exactly. Games are fun, they make you think, but they are also relaxing.
Do you play video games?
A little. On my phone, I play puzzle games. They are calm. I play for 10 minutes on the train. It passes the time.
I play video games too, but on a computer.
What games do you play?
I like strategy games. You must think, you plan, you build a city, or you lead an army. It's like a big puzzle. I also like sports games, like football games. I can be my favorite team. I can win every game.
That is good.
But video games are just one hobby. I like to be outside, so another hobby is walking.
Walking?
Yes, simple walking. In nature, I go to the forest or by the river. I walk for 1 hour, I look at trees, I listen to birds. It is very peaceful. It clears my mind.
That is a very healthy hobby and free.
Yes, it is free. Hobbies do not need money. Reading, walking, singing, all free.
That is true. Some hobbies need money, but not all. What about you? Do you like movies or TV shows?
Oh, yes, that is a hobby too. I watch movies. I like action movies and comedy movies. Comedy movies make me laugh.
Me too. I watch TV shows, series, one story, many episodes. I love drama series and funny series. I watch one episode every night.
It is a good way to relax.
Yes, but sometimes hobbies are not relaxing. They are exciting, like your sports.
That is true. Hobbies can be calm or they can be exciting. Different people like different things.
Yes, my brother likes drawing. He draws pictures. He is very good. He gives me pictures. I put them on my wall.
That is a nice hobby. Creative.
My mother likes cooking. She tries new recipes. She makes cakes. Very delicious cakes. Then we eat them.
Yum. I like eating. Is eating a hobby?
Maybe not, but cooking is, or baking. Making food is a hobby, a very useful hobby.
My friend likes photography. He takes photos with his camera. He takes photos of streets, of people, of buildings. His photos are beautiful.
That is a great hobby. You can remember everything.
So many hobbies. Sports, reading, music, games, walking, movies, drawing, cooking, photography.
The list is very long. Gardening, dancing, collecting things like stamps or coins.
Why are hobbies important, Sarah?
They are important for your mind. You work, you study, life is busy. Hobbies help you stop. You do something you love, you forget your problems. You feel joy.
Yes. They are also good for friends. You meet people, you play football with friends, you play games with friends, you talk about books, you make new friends.
That is very true. Hobbies connect people.
So, for our listeners, do you have a hobby?
If you have a hobby, that is good. Continue. Do it more.
If you do not have a hobby, try something. Try something easy. Try walking for 10 minutes. Try reading a short book. Try listening to new music.
You can try many things. Find what you like. It is not work. It is for fun. Do not worry about being perfect.
Yes, I am bad at guitar, but I like it. That is okay.
Exactly. So let's talk to our listeners. What are your hobbies? Tell us. Think about it.
You can say, my hobby is, and then say the thing. For example, my hobby is reading, or my hobby is football.
Or, I like to watch movies. I like to play games. Simple sentences.
Okay, now let's review some words we used today.
Good idea. First word, hobby. A hobby is something you do for fun in your free time.
Free time, time when you do not work. You can do your hobby.
Sports, like football, tennis, basketball, swimming.
Reading, looking at books and understanding the words.
Books. You read books. Fiction books are stories. Non-fiction books are true.
Music, sounds with melody and rhythm. Pop, rock, jazz, classical.
Games. Things you play. Board games, card games, video games.
Relaxing, calm, peaceful, not stressful.
Exciting. Fun. Makes your heart beat fast.
Fun, Enjoyable. Makes you happy.
Remember these words. They are useful.
So, that is all for today. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about hobbies.
Do you have a hobby now? Try one. It is good for you.
Please join us again next time for another easy English conversation.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.